Have you ever wondered about a secret power you hold that can transform your entire life? In Islam, this power is called niyyah, intention. It's the reason behind every action you take. Niyyah is the silent conversation you have with Allah before you act, giving your deeds true value. Without intention, even big actions can feel empty. But with sincere niyyah, even the smallest act becomes huge in Allah's sight. Your niyyah is like a key that unlocks amazing rewards when you eat, study, play or sleep. By making a good intention, you connect your daily life directly to Allah. Imagine earning rewards for sleeping just by intending to rest for worship or kindness the next day. Two people can do the same thing, like giving charity, but only the one with sincere intention earns the real reward. That's why learning about niyyah is so important. It's the first step to making your life meaningful. It doesn't take extra time, just a moment to pause and connect your action to Allah. This private link between you and your Creator is always available. Niyyah is a gift from Allah, helping us find blessings in unexpected places. So how can you start using this incredible power to fill your life with good deeds? Let's explore how niyyah can change your world. Get ready to unlock the secret to a more blessed life. Meet Ahmed. He prayed, helped his parents and did his homework. But life felt routine. Worship seemed separate from everything else. One day, Ahmed learned that any action can become worship if done for Allah's sake. Suddenly, studying for a test or helping with groceries became opportunities for reward. Ahmed tried it. Before studying, he made a silent intention. Oh Allah, I want to learn to benefit others. Instantly, his daily tasks felt purposeful and connected to his faith. Eating became a way to gain strength for prayer. Sleeping became preparation for Fajr. Even playing soccer was now about keeping his body healthy as a trust from Allah. Ahmed's routine turned into a journey of constant worship. He felt closer to Allah, and his book of deeds grew with every small action. The same Ahmed, the same activities, but now every moment was filled with meaning. That's the power of niyyah. It colors your life with purpose. You don't need to change what you do, just why you do it. With intention, your ordinary day becomes extraordinary worship. Try it. Set your niyyah before your next task. Watch how your heart and actions transform. Every moment can bring you closer to Allah. That's the beauty of living with intention. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, actions are judged by intentions. This hadith is the foundation of niyyah. Allah looks at your heart, not just your actions. Imagine someone builds a mosque just for praise. Their reward is only people's admiration. But a poor person giving a single date for Allah's sake may earn immense reward. It's not the size of the action, but the sincerity behind it that matters most. Allah's justice and mercy mean your smallest, sincere deeds can outweigh grand gestures done for show. This teaching gives hope. You don't need to do huge things to please Allah. A smile, a kind word, or effort in your studies, all can be acts of worship with the right intention. Just aim your heart toward Allah. The key to a universe of reward is already within you. Your intention transforms every action. Remember, Allah rewards sincerity, not just outward deeds. Let your niyyah guide you in everything you do. That's how you make every moment count. Your heart is your greatest tool for worship. How can you put niyyah into practice? It's easier than you think. Here are 5 simple tips to turn your daily habits into worship. Before studying, pause and intend, Ya Allah, I seek knowledge to benefit myself and others. Before eating, think, I'm nourishing my body to have strength for worship and kindness. When helping at home, intend, I'm serving my family to please Allah and honor my parents. Before exercise, say, I'm caring for my body as a trust from Allah. Before sleep, intend, I'm resting to wake up refreshed for Fajr and a productive day. These quick intentions transform routine tasks into acts of worship. No extra time needed, just a moment of thought. With practice, setting niyyah becomes second nature. Every action, big or small, can earn you reward. Try these tips today and feel the difference. Your day will be filled with purpose and blessing. Make every moment count for Allah. That's the secret to a supercharged, meaningful life. Niyyah is one of Allah's greatest mercies. It lets you worship Him in every part of life. Your classroom, dinner table, or sports field can all become places of worship with the right intention. Without niyyah, your actions are like filling a vessel with sand, heavy but not valuable. With niyyah, you fill it with jewels. Each action becomes a blessing and a light. Try an experiment. For one day, be conscious of your niyyah in everything. Start your morning intending to please Allah. Maintain cleanliness and use kind words. Notice how your attitude and connection to Allah change. Every moment becomes an opportunity for reward. Challenges become chances for patience. Successes become reasons for gratitude. It's not about doing more, but about adding meaning to what you already do. Transform your mindset. Make your whole life worship. That's how you build a mountain of rewards from small changes. Let niyyah guide your every step. This is your invitation to transform your life with niyyah. Don't underestimate small deeds. When done for Allah, they multiply in value. Turn your habits into worship and your life into a continuous act of devotion. Start now, before your next action. Pause and set your intention. With practice, this will become your heart's default setting. Imagine every breath and step recorded as a good deed. This is the reality niyyah offers every believer. Let's not miss out on these countless opportunities for reward. Fill your scales with good deeds while living your normal life. Encourage friends and family to live with intention. May Allah accept our intentions, purify our hearts, and fill our lives with His light. May He turn our small efforts into mountains of reward. Ameen.